over here you can see that I have a picture opened up in Adobe Photoshop Elements, and I am in the quick editing mode right here. So now what I can do is I can apply effects onto the picture that is opened as well. And to do that, you need to go around and click on effects right here. So effects is here, and under it effects is written out. So here you can choose from artistic or classic effects right here. So in classic effects, it loads up the picture right here and applies effects to them so that you get a preview of the picture that you're seeing right here. So here you can see that there's different type of looks that you can select. So let's say you want to apply the smart look, you can click right here and the effect is applied. And here you can see that you have sub-selection of the effect over here as well. You can go around and select out, let's say for example, the toy camera effect right here. And then once you click on it, then that camera effect is applied. You can go around over here and this is what you see. You can collapse it, or you can expand this to get sub effects over here for that particular effect as well. Another thing that you can do is you can go to artistic effect and choose the type of effect that you want to apply. So if I were to click this, then that effect is applied, as you can see. You want to get more of a painting vibe like here, then you get that effect applied over here. So let me just go around over here and select out this effect right here. Then it applies that effect right here. And here you can see you can also keep the original photo colors right here with the effects so that they don't actually change out, just like in this case. And then over here you can change around the intensity level of the effect over here as well. So you can apply the effect onto the subject right here. So you can go around and select out the subject and the background right here and work around with the effects accordingly. So it detects out the subject and the background. So if I want to just apply the effect to the background, then yeah, you can see that it will detect out the background right here and apply the effect to it. But if you want to apply to the subject right here and not apply to the background, then disable the background right here, and then it'll detect it out and then will remove the effect from the background, as you can see, just like that. And you can work around with the intensity for intensity, and if it affects out this particular level of effect applied to it, as you can see. So that is how you can apply effects inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe